Okay, this is problem 5 in the class problems for chapter 7 on CVP. And it has, this is Low Volume Company, and they report the following results. We've got sales and variable costs, and then they go right to an operating loss of $30,000. I squeezed in a contribution margin here. Okay, so your contribution margin would be 120 at this point. And if they said that we've got 20,000 units, so 200,000 divided by 20,000 would give us $10 per unit for a selling price and $4 per unit for variable costs. So our contribution margin is $6 per unit. And then I did the ratio at the same time, and it's another 60-40 split, but that's just a coincidence, okay? Don't forget. So the first question is, what is the contribution margin per unit? My selling price less my variable cost per unit gives me $6. That's my CM per unit right there. And then what are the fixed costs? Well, they gave us 200,000 in sales, less variable cost of 80,000, gave us a contribution margin of 120, and then they said we had an operating loss of 30,000. So this must be 150. That would be our fixed cost. Okay, so this formula right here is really, really important. So sales less variable cost is your contribution margin, less fixed cost is operating income. Okay, this is a variable cost format income statement. And it's just, we can do more projecting when we've got our variable and fixed costs separated like this. Okay, that's an 8. And then the last one asks to break even, how many additional units would the company have to sell? So we've got this 30,000, we've got to make $30,000. Okay, that's the idea. So, right? Okay, because we've got a $30,000 loss. So if I take that 30,000 like a target income and divide it by $6, we've got to sell an additional 5,000 units. Okay, those are additional units. Okay,